In this video, we'll be covering how to organize content and manage permissions in Miro. To do that, we need to understand the three levels of Miro's hierarchy, which are teams, then projects, and then the boards themselves. Consider matching these three levels in Miro to the way your organization is structured. Teams are a shared private workspace for a group of users and are the highest level in Miro's hierarchy. With the Enterprise plan, a single user can be a member of multiple teams and can switch between those teams to interact with different projects and boards. Additionally, each team can be customized to suit the work you want to do. For example, the tools enabled and the default settings can vary from team to team. Within each team, you can have an unlimited number of projects. Projects are a collection of boards that help your team stay organized, manage sharing permissions, and increase board discoverability. When you add collaborators to a project, you can give them different levels of access. Whichever access level you choose will apply to all the boards in that project as well. For this team, it looks like projects are shared with all its team members by default. I can turn that off if I want the project to be private. Last comes the boards themselves. Use the three dots from the dashboard view to move boards to a project or even between teams. The Board Share dialog is also available from this menu. There are a few options when it comes to sharing boards, so let's take them one by one. First, you can add team members directly to the board by typing in their emails in the box, or by choosing users from this list. The available permission levels are the same as with projects: can edit, can comment, can view. To share with the entire team, you can toggle this switch and again choose an access level. Those are the options to share with team members. Next comes sharing outside of your team. The public link doesn't require you to log in, but can grant view or comment rights to anyone who has the link. Alternatively, you can type an email in the box, just like before, but you have to choose view or comment to share with anyone outside your team. Giving access like this will require the user to log in, but is actually free. If you want to grant edit rights to users who are not team members, you'll need day passes, which you can learn more about on our pricing page. Last but not least, click on Advanced to view the current list of collaborators and to change their access level. We've covered a lot, so let's review. The hierarchy is teams, then projects, then boards. Use projects early on to manage your boards effectively, and consider matching these three levels in Miro to the way your organization is structured. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.